Tired of heat damage and endless styling? Meet the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set, your secret weapon for beautiful, damage-free curls overnight. This revolutionary set lets you achieve stunning, salon-worthy results without a single hot tool, eliminating frizz and breakage for good. Crafted from luxurious 100% satin, the 34-inch curling rod is so comfortable you can literally sleep in it, waking up to perfect, lasting curls. Imagine an overnight blowout look with just 5 minutes of effort. Simply wrap your hair, secure with the included satin scrunchies, and let Kitsch do the work. What makes this Kitsch set truly stand out is its commitment to both hair health and effortless beauty, delivering consistent, gorgeous curls every time. If you're searching for the best heatless hair curlers or comfortable overnight curlers, this is precisely what you need. Find the Amazon link in the description below. No more struggling with tangled hot tools or sacrificing precious morning time. This set transforms your routine into a relaxing, effective beauty ritual. Ready to ditch the damage and embrace effortless style? Click the Amazon link now to grab your own Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set. It's an original Kitsch design, trusted for quality, and recognized as a game changer for anyone wanting gorgeous curls without compromise. For beautiful, healthy, and easy to achieve curls by 2025, the Kitsch Satin Heatless Curling Set is my absolute top recommendation. You won't regret it.